Hey there, budget buddies. If you're here, you're probably looking to cancel your everydollar subscription. Maybe you're switching to a new budgeting app, or perhaps you're just tightening up your expenses. Whatever the reason, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Everydollar is a fantastic tool from Dave Ramsey for tracking your money, but sometimes life changes, and that's okay. Let's dive in and get this done quickly and easily. First things first, you'll need to log into your everydollar account. Head over to the everydollar website or open the app on your phone. Use your email and password to sign in. If you've forgotten your password, there's a "Forgot Password" link to reset it. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Once you're logged in, look for the Account or Settings section. This is usually in the top right corner or under a profile icon. Click on that, and it should take you to your account details. Now, scroll down until you find the Subscriptions or Billing area. Here, you'll see your active subscription listed. Next, click on the subscription option. There might be a Manage Subscription button or something similar. This is where you can view your plan details. Look for a Cancel Subscription button. It's often in red or highlighted to grab your attention. Before you proceed, everydollar might ask why you're canceling, so take a second to select a reason if prompted. This helps them improve their service. After that, confirm your cancellation. You'll probably get a pop-up asking if you're sure. Double-check everything here because this step is final. Once confirmed, your subscription should be canceled immediately, or it might end at the end of your current billing cycle. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, everydollar has great customer support. You can reach out via their help center or email for assistance. And hey, if you're canceling because you're done budgeting, remember there are other free tools out there. Alright, that's it. You've successfully canceled your everydollar subscription. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.